Chicken Manchurian styles. Chicken Manchurian is versatile, and there are different styles depending on regional preferences and preparation methods. Here are a few popular variations. Dry Chicken Manchurian. Description: this version has a thicker sauce, and the chicken pieces are more coated with the sauce rather than swimming in it. How to make: cook the sauce until it thickens significantly before adding the fried chicken. Reduce the amount of water used in the sauce. Gravy Chicken Manchurian. Description: this style has more sauce and is served with a little extra gravy, making it ideal for pairing with rice or noodles. How to make: increase the water or broth while preparing the sauce, creating a more liquid consistency. Szechuan Chicken Manchurian. Description: a spicier variation that uses Szechuan sauce, a Chinese chili-based sauce, to give the dish a fiery kick. How to make: add Szechuan sauce or make it by blending dry red chilies with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, then stir it into the sauce for a hotter version. Mushroom Chicken Manchurian. Description: a variation where pieces of mushroom are added along with the chicken, giving a different texture and a rich umami flavor. How to make: add sliced mushrooms to the sauce just before adding the fried chicken. Chili Chicken Manchurian. Chili chicken. Description: similar to Chicken Manchurian but with more focus on the tangy and spicy flavors, using ingredients like vinegar, soy sauce, and green chilies. How to make: use a similar base but increase the amount of chili sauce, soy sauce, and bell peppers. Tips for perfect Chicken Manchurian. Crispiness of chicken. To ensure the chicken pieces stay crispy after being coated in sauce, fry them at a medium-high heat until golden and crispy. Don't overcook them in the sauce. You can also double fry the chicken. Fry once until slightly golden, then again after draining for extra crispiness. Consistent sauce. For a thick and glossy sauce, use corn flour cornstarch to thicken it. Mix it with water to create a slurry before adding it to the sauce. Don't add the chicken to the sauce too early. Let the sauce reduce a bit first, and then toss in the fried chicken pieces to coat them. Adjust spice levels. If you prefer a milder version, reduce the amount of chili sauce or omit the green chilies. For more heat, increase the chili sauce or use fresh chopped green chilies. Soy sauce choice. Use a good quality soy sauce, light or dark depending on your preference for the best flavor. If you want a more authentic taste, opt for Chinese soy sauce. Don't overcook the vegetables. When making Chicken Manchurian, sauté the vegetables like onions, bell peppers, and green chilies just until they are tender crisp. Overcooking them will make them mushy. Garnish well. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions or cilantro for a fresh flavor boost. You can also add some toasted sesame seeds for a nice texture and nuttiness.
Chicken Manchurian. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken pieces with soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, corn flour, egg, all-purpose flour, and salt. Let the chicken marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Fry the chicken. Heat oil in a pan or deep fryer. Fry the marinated chicken pieces in batches until they are golden and crispy. Drain them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Prepare the sauce. In a separate pan or wok, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds until aromatic. Add chopped onions, green bell pepper, and green chilies. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. Add soy sauce, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, vinegar, sugar, and water. Stir well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Thicken the sauce. Add the corn flour slurry, 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with water to the sauce. Stir and cook until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. Combine chicken with sauce, add the fried chicken pieces to the sauce and toss them gently to coat evenly. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the chicken absorbs the sauce. Garnish and serve. Garnish with chopped spring onions. Serve hot with steamed rice or fried rice.